This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the camera is powered and the Ezviz app is logged into your account. Once done, check you're on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi because many cameras won't rejoin on 5 GHz. Make note of any custom settings so you can restore them later. Now physically inspect the unit, locate the reset button or pinhole, and ready a small paperclip. These actions let you move straight into the actual reset without losing time or connectivity. Now perform the reset. Insert the paperclip and press firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED changes or a voice prompt confirms factory reset. You need to hold long enough to clear settings. A short tap only reboots. Once the LED pattern or spoken message signals reset, release, and wait, don't interrupt power. The camera will take a couple minutes to rebuild its software environment and network stack, which is why patience here prevents corrupted configs and makes repairing reliable. After reboot, open the Ezviz app and add the device as if new. Scan the QR code or input the serial and follow the guided Wi-Fi setup. Make sure to update firmware right away to patch bugs and restore security. Once online, test live view, motion notifications, and any PTZ controls. If you can't repair, try a power cycle, confirm the phone is on 4 GHz or use a mobile hotspot. That single troubleshooting move resolves most stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.